can't catch me!
Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Are you part of our channel? If not, click the subscribe button to become part of our channel and see fun videos posted daily. We have a super fun video today. Check it out. We have 3 Transformer surprises. They're actually Transformers, robots in disguise. And you get some Titans figurines. There are 12 collectible figurines we could be getting in here. We also have 3 surprise eggs. A giant one and 2 smaller ones. Be sure to stay with me until the end of the clip as I will open these fun surprises and show you what I have in here. We're also going to take a look at Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. He's Transformers robots in disguise, and he actually changes from robot to car mode through a one-step process. Sideswipe actually works with other Mini-Con Weaponizers. They're sold separately and they attach to him. But now let's go ahead and open up this fun toy and take a look at it. This is a slick Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. I haven't seen this color yet. He's usually a blue or a red color. This one converts through an easy process. There's only one step to converting him. Here he is in his robot mode, and he's got awesome colors, sort of a gray and blue. He needs to be camouflaged and hide, so he fits in with the snow and the mountain areas. And to convert him back is super simple. And now he's disguised as a sports car. He can go after those Decepticons. Here are different versions of Sideswipe we've opened before. Here's the Ninja Sideswipe. He's also a one-step robot. He changes through a one-step process, just like our Blizzard Strike one. That's super easy to do. This one has ninja moves. We've done some fun videos on Transformers, including this one. Be sure to click the eye above to see more fun videos. But this one, the Ninja Sideswipe, actually changes in the same way that the Blizzard Strike Sideswipe changes. And look at this, they're pretty much identical, except they're different colors. Let's go ahead and compare him to a different Sideswipe we've opened. This one takes more steps to transform. He's the red version of Sideswipe. And then we have this bigger one. This is one of the giant robots, the bigger ones. Extra large, I would say. So you can see the difference between these and get an idea of the size of this robot. And then back into car mode. Oh yeah! The Blizzard Strike has moves like the Ninja one, of course. They're both super awesome. We still have surprises to open, including these eggs. So be sure to stay tuned with us.
Let's test our strength, see who is stronger. You can't catch me. Oh yes, I can.
Now it's time for our surprises. What surprises did we get in here? What surprise do you hope is going to be in here? Be sure to leave your comment down below. There are 12 possible ones. And this is part of Series 6, Tiny Titans. Here's the first one. Oh, check it out. Our first surprise is Optimus Prime. You even get a collectible card. And look, these are all the possibilities we can be getting. You can get Skybite, Cheater, Crazy Bolt, Grimlock, Acid Storm, and of course Optimus Prime, which we have. Night Strike, Bumblebee, Minimus Ambus, Unicron, Blur, and Barrage. Cool. And look at this, he's got a weapon. He's ready to take on the Decepticons that come his way. Let's open up our next surprise. Which Tiny Titan did we get this time? If you want to guess again and write your comment in the comment section, be sure to write it now. What do you think is in here? Who do you think is in here? Oh, and we get a clue. It's Minimus Ambus. He's a scary looking fellow. Check him out. Definitely not a pretty sight to see. We have one more Tiny Titan we can open. Which one is it this time? If you'd like to guess, again, write your comment in the comment section. I love the fact that we haven't gotten a double yet. Oh, this might be a double, yep. I spoke too soon. It's a double Optimus Prime. Awesome. We have more Tiny Titans to open. Stay tuned for our next video. We have 3 more to open. But now it's the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to open our surprise eggs to reveal what they contain. See what's inside. Drum roll, please. Oh, check it out. A bunch of Lego figurines. There's a robot unit, a stormtrooper, and a pilot. Cool. Here's our next surprise egg. A capsule. Oh, check it out. This time it's Donald Duck, and he has a frisbee. Cool. And here's our last surprise. This is a giant egg. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, wow. Check it out. We've got a stormtrooper driving a car. And we also have a motorcycle. They're both Lego. Hey, you want a race? Yeah, I do, man. You're on. All right, guys. On your mark. Get set. Go! Looks like the blue guy is the winner. Awesome surprises. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. And also click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video.